Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Kenmore Dishwasher Rinse Aid Cap. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Rinse Aid Cap. The Rinse Aid Cap covers up the Rinse Aid reservoir. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the Rinse Aid is leaking out. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the Rinse Aid Cap. It's right here on the dispenser. We just have to turn it over to 9 o'clock to unlock it, and then we can lift it out. Here's the old Rinse Aid Cap next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Rinse Aid Cap on, we're just going to line it up at 9 o'clock and then turn it up to 12 o'clock to lock it in. Once you have it installed, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.